That tiny, outdated screen in your dash? It's holding your car hostage. But what if you could slap a floating, HD, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay masterpiece right on top of it? No more struggling with a terrible interface. We bought, installed, and tested the top 5 floating screen stereos of the year. We're talking responsiveness, sound quality, and which ones are a nightmare to install. One model is so advanced, it genuinely feels like it's from the future. All product links for your buy are in the video description. Let's upgrade your ride. Starting at number 1. Sony XAV-AX8000. Best quality floating screen car stereo. The Sony AX8000 helps control everything on the road, to give no distraction. The large and crystal clear touchscreen enables you direct control over playing music and your smartphone functions. The device possesses a rear-view camera that allows the user to park properly. The extra bass, a significant component of this device, contributes to the low-end power. The device possesses virtual speakers placed generally on the car's dashboard, which serves as a dynamic stage organizer. The essential ergonomic function of this device allows for easy operation. For vehicle owners who thought they'd never be able to have an interface this huge in their dash, our single DIN, 2 height, chassis design opens up incredible possibilities. Number 2. Boss Audio Systems BCPA10RC. Best car stereo floating screen. This audio device is compatible with various streaming platforms and allows the user to stream wirelessly while connected to a smartphone. The primary distinguishing feature is that the user can connect and listen to music by wirelessly streaming music services, e.g., Pandora or Spotify, etc. The AUX input allows the user to connect to external devices such as MP3 players and Android devices with audio output. The Bluetooth, a unique feature of this device, allows you to use hands-free with a functioning Bluetooth device. The person using the device will be able to communicate using this built-in microphone or listen through the car's speakers. The preamp output on the box of this device enables the user to add up to 3 amps in signal processors to the front and rear channels. The rear camera input is an essential feature of this device, and it enhances both safety and convenience. Number 3. Pioneer DMH-WT8600NEX. Pioneer DMH supports both wired and wireless connections, and it's compatible with Android Auto and Android Play. This enables the user to secure access to music apps, GPS navigation, and communication while driving to minimize any form of distraction. While configuring the display of this device, it gives room for a large screen display using a universal chassis. The screen is easily adjustable, as this can be tilted in various directions, depending on how the user wants it to be in the vehicle's dash. The Stereo Assist, which offers home screen regularization, web browsing, and other interesting features, is compatible with the Pioneer DMH in-dash receiver, making it easy to save websites to your car's bookmarks, register your favorite sports teams to receive real-time game updates, customize your smartphone's notifications, and more. The device also allows the user to modify the receiver's home screen, including uploading a background image. Pioneer Stereo is a hallmark of good and quality sound. The brand has a wide range of in-dash CD players and A/V receivers, with something affordable for every buyer. Number 4. Iying 10.1. Every vehicle this device is installed allows the user to enjoy smooth communication and operation on Android devices. The device supports iPhone screen mirroring, allowing the user to project the iPhone screen onto the head unit's screen. It also supports wireless CarPlay, which is more convenient than a wired connection and allows you to do everything you want on your phone while driving, including making calls, using maps, listening to music, and checking messages. Number 5. Kenwood DMX1057XR Excelon. The display gives a good view of large and accessible information to see with just a glance. The LCD panel provides a wider viewing angle in different directions. It allows the protective film to reduce reflection coming from the sun, providing the user an opportunity to enjoy clear images from back and front seats. Kenwood Excelon products were created with the goal of providing the best possible listening experience. So, which screen will give your daily drive that next-gen upgrade? The road ahead is looking a lot more high-tech. If we helped you navigate this new tech, pay it forward, hit that like button. Share this with anyone who drives a car that feels stuck in the past. And subscribe and hit the bell, because next week, we're testing a wireless charger that can actually fast charge your phone in the car. The results will surprise you. Drive safe.